So the process was actually very simple but costly. We would pay a supplier for the materials that we need to do our products and our projects. After several years of doing that and seeing the price of metal just increase, almost weekly in some cases, we decided that it was best to start looking into a way to add more value to our company, to our customers, and perform better work. So we started the process really a couple of years ago of going back and forth in the different products, and we came across the idea that we needed the shear and we needed the folder to work with. And after a lot of research and a lot of homework, chose the Max Shear as well as the Erbend, and very happy with them, extremely happy. Definitely saving a lot of time, saving money. At the end of the day, we have control over our product now. Suppliers do run into issues with getting their product to them they can sell to us. So we've kind of alleviated that, and by able to purchase the metal for a good price, we fabricate it ourselves, and we control when we do have it and we don't have it.